We are, well, it's not live, but the YouTube is now on.
I feel uncomfortable with my phone being so far away.
Where's your phone? Oh, it's charging. You should feel uncomfortable with your phone charging. You never charge your phone. I don't understand how a human being goes through life with like an eighth of a battery. And then she makes me have anxiety because she'll be like, oh, look at this. Takes a screenshot and all I can see is you're on red. You're on red. I didn't know people on red could send a screenshot. Is everything okay? Do you have a charger? Tracy was in Canada and wakes up and is like, oh, blah, blah, blah. Then, you know, like at 9 o'clock, I need to charge my phone. I was like, that's what bedtime is for. You go to bed and you charge your phone. I'm not understanding. You wake up on red. You're just setting the mood for the day bad. Oh, need to charge. That's not how it works, Trey. It's like, oh, heading to bed. Let's go live on Instagram now and find out what everybody's thinking about, you know, going to bed on red. Actually, if we say it like that, they're not going to know what we're talking about, so they're going to think it's something really smutty. All right, guys, so we are now live on Instagram. We are waiting for a couple more people to join us.
Hi. I just want to let everybody know that I know my eyebrows look bad.
What happened to your eyebrows? Hi, Kiki. What, Kiki?
Hi, Kiki.
Why did your eyebrows look bad?
I was shaving my face and accidentally shaved a chunk out of this eyebrow. So I had to even it up. And then I was like, what am I doing?
You have to be careful, you'll end up with no eyebrows.
That's when I decided to stop.
Yeah.
And then I was like, okay, they're so messed up that I'm going to go and get them threaded, like, you know, when they do the thing where they map it out and line it up and thread it. So I made my appointment for next week, Tuesday, to map and thread my eyebrows.
What time on Tuesday?
11:30.
Oh, okay.
So I made it, and I think I might do the henna thing too.
Yeah? Do everything.
I'm going to do the lamination too.
I can laminate your eyebrows for you, but if that's what the lady is doing for you, ask her to throw it in for free. Because that sounds like a lot. Does the girl know you?
Yeah, I know her.
So
she's
ask her for something free. See, she's nice. Get something free. That's a lot. Tattoo, henna, lamination. Jeez.
Anyway.
Okay, wait, hold on. Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for a full hour of fun, frolic, and
foolishness.
And Tracy's
so I want to go back to the eyebrows.
Right.
So you've been laminating yours?
No. So I was yes. But no.
Okay, hold on. What's going on there?
Okay, so
that's a difficult question.
I was on TikTok and I saw this whole laminating of eyebrows and it lies down and whatever.
Ticky tack.
So I was like, I want to laminate my eyebrows too. And then I saw where
they look pretty laid down. They're lying down.
The laid. So I saw where there was a studio that does it, and I was like, this looks so beautiful. And I was like, I hate lying down. I hate lying down on my back. I hate doing my lashes.
Really?
I don't know how long.
Two kids doesn't say so, but anyway.
Tracy, you smutty little rascal. So, and I'm not lying down either. Right?
I haven't bust the juice yet.
No, just don't touch that one. That was my favorite.
Sorry, okay.
So, and I haven't had in like 2 weeks. So I'm waiting to gulp.
Okay.
So I bought the kit on Amazon and I watched a video. And I said, okay, I'm going to try it by myself. The kit was $20 and it actually, the lamination of your eyebrows lasts 3 months.
Yeah.
And it really wasn't that hard. The girl on Amazon told me to skip a step, which I'm glad I did. And I am capable of doing these things myself. Now, I know there's some people like, I'm not doing that or I can't do that. That's fine. But I'm capable of doing it myself. So I saved some money. And Tracy, God, no, you know I love to save a buck. So... Hi, hey Ryan, what's up? So I laminated my eyebrows myself, but since you were already trying to do your eyebrows and totally messed them up, maybe you should go to someone. Yeah. So.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go to someone. I have made my appointment.
Yeah.
And
so we're looking forward to seeing you next Tuesday.
Yes, so next Tuesday I'll be fresh from my eyebrow appointment, and I will ask her if I can mention her on the show.
Well, if she says yes, be like, then I want something free.
Alright, I'll ask her for freeness too.
Yeah. Ask her to give you more than a spoolie. At least ask for 2 spoolies.
Yeah. I'll ask her for freeness.
Okay.
I'll ask her for freeness. So let's check out the eyebrows while we're here so that we can do proper. Okay.
I cut my hair a long time. Tracy was just telling me my hair is growing back. I put in those box braids in, I think, April. And yeah. Okay.
So anyway, let's talk about what we have today.
Will Ryan is asking, where can we get these drinks? Well, we would like to tell you. You can head on over to Lady B Mixology. You can check out our page. She's actually here on the live, which she should not be. She should be looking after Sean's trousers.
Yes, Lady B Mixology, her father is actually one of the best suit designers and tailors.
You can put pieces that, yo.
Yeah.
Spokes apparel.
Spokes apparel. Ooh. And they do anything for men that needs to be sexy.
Yeah. So Lady B, so Lady B, we got today my favorite flavor. We got grapefruit rosemary delight. I did my own makeup, but
Daddy is sorting out Sean's suit
as we speak.
All right, Lady B.
Thank you. Big up Dexter from Spokes Apparel. Like when Sean said he needed a suit, and I was like, foreign is not where the nice suits are at, by the way. I should head over there. No, man.
Spokes was already. What?
Right,
this is
go to our
nice.
page.
I'm not gonna lie. I was worried that this was going to taste very red. I was worried that this was going to taste very red. I don't know why I was worried. It's Lady B. I don't know why I was worried.
No.
And then it's called Beach Blossom, and it tastes delicate.
Papaya and road ready flyer. I don't know anything about that. Jodi's face looks different. Okay, I put a little wee bit of filler right over here to even me up, girl. Okay. Yes, so my face is very asymmetrical.
I don't think, and that's why your face is different. You've used a whole different makeup today.
Oh yes, so I do look a little powdery and white. So I think I have the wrong color. So I don't know who has been on Tiki Taka of late.
Nobody was asking about fillers. Why are you just putting fillers in random?
I put filler. Like, what's the problem? That's what filler is for. I save my money and wear Amazon so I can wear the filler in my face. Okay? So I was on TikTok and I keep seeing this makeup here. This is makeup by Yolando.
Yes, I see it too.
She takes a brush, she puts her brush in it, and I mean she can cover a tattoo. And I said, well, I want to try it, and I actually so see how creamy that is. Now the only problem is, so I started with one of them. I bought two because I didn't know my color. And I started with the white one first, and I was not about to wash that off, so I just used a tissue and wipe it. So then I tried again with the second color, and so I don't have my color, and like you're buying things online, I could not swatch it. The name again is Playing in Makeup by Yolando, and when you go online, it's weird because she calls it the concealer, but if you go on TikTok and type her in, she's like covering like tattoos, and it just looks so...
Maybe if you had just done more, because I saw Tiffany Samantha Lawson, Beats by Tiff, she uses a base that's really, really not her color.
Yeah.
And then she takes, you have to watch the Get Ready With Me in the Prosecco shirt, the Team Prosecco shirt. And then she uses a base that's really not her color, and then she goes in with the contour, and she really contours out her face.
Oh, so the middle is lighter and everything else.
Yes, and then she contours out a lot.
So maybe I do have the correct colors,
but
then.
You need to contour more.
Okay. So
you can ask Beats by Tiff to help you.
So I'm gonna use back these colors and try again.
Yeah.
It looks good on you though, Jodi. You will eventually find the perfect blend. Just go and play with it. I think I'm gonna try that next week. So I'm gonna use a lighter. But yo, when I put on the lighter color,
ask Tiffany to help you on Saturday.
On this forehead, jeez on peace. No, up there look like one big grass cloud.
Because you have a lot of makeup. You have the brushes. So just invite Tiffany upstairs into the closet and have her do it for you. Actually, everybody likes Tiffany. Maybe we should just invite her here for another live.
Yeah, that's true. And she can do the makeup. Sorry, I pointed out where she was sitting the last time she was here on the live. This season of Road Ready full of drama, sir.
Boy, it is on my list of things to talk about. Yes! Boy, Latisha went off. I enjoyed it though. I enjoyed the episode. It was funny to see. I don't know, like I have to admit something, like I don't really like watching myself back on camera. There's very little times I've ever gone back to rewatch an episode of Tuesdays with Tricky.
We spent so much time there drunk.
So I watched the of us. And it was funny to see us interacting like that, especially when the drunk man came into the film and we're both like But it was good. It was good. It was good.
Y'all upset my carnival bae. I never upset her. I didn't do anything. I was in the back drinking my juice.
I was still in Jamaica.
I was like this with my Hennessy.
I know. But it's getting really, really spicy now.
It's spicy, yeah.
And I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying watching it. And it's taken... Road Ready has been quite like a build-up because I feel like the first couple of episodes was trying to describe what the show Road Ready is about. You know, we're getting used to now I feel like the spice is here. It's hot.
Well, I feel like too, like everybody kind of let loose a little bit in Miami, where, you know, as I think in Orlando we're trying to figure things out. So we're looking forward to, you know, another production next year.
Somebody's son is full of trouble. Him cute. Cute,
but cute boys are always full of trouble.
But let me tell you about
that was really funny at the end.
Let me tell you something about somebody's son. He is a genuinely nice guy.
Yeah, he's nice.
He is a lovely,
and you know what?
lovely
You know what
guy.
I'm gonna say to him? Bad back offense, you know, because at no point during the time that I was there did I ever get like the feels from him. But in that last episode, when he was carrying on about Jodi and Jodi. True, why you keep asking that? You all come in Miami with Kapaya? No, we're usually with Gen X. So yeah, so when
but he's such a nice
Did you see the last episode?
Yeah.
Did you see when I was like trying to move? He was like, yo, if there was anybody in this house, it'd be Jodi. And then as a production person now, I come in and I remove one chair, right, and leave one, but he's in one chair, so I'm moving the chair over. But he had just in the confessionals spoke about me and like a crush or how I'm hot or whatever. So I come in there now to move over the chair, and he's just like his facial expression, Tracy. It was really, really funny. It was so funny. It was
not
really
in the last episode.
That
was in that episode before.
Yeah, I thought it was really funny. But
it was.
But it's funny because at no point did I ever on set be like, I feel a little uncomfortable around Steven.
No,
like I think he's flirting with me. He's really nice.
He's a gentleman.
So that was funny. I like that.
And you know, it was so nice because we saw Fresh in K-Man.
Did Sean see that? No. But Sean can't get vexed.
Sean secure and him thing. Sean secure.
Baba.
Him no.
Yeah, I don't think. I mean, what would he be upset about that another person thinks that I'm hot? Him love that.
That's exactly.
Everybody must think say your wife hot and your wife.
Exactly. So, I love when people tell me say my husband is handsome. All when he got that thing, funeral bae. Oh! Should I comment and be like, he's spoken for? I'm like, no, I know how you feel, but just let it ride. That's not what I said, you two lie. I did not.
I want everybody to know that funeral bae is mine.
Yes, that's what I said.
And I was like, girl, they know.
And I also encouraged him after that.
Hold on to him tight like rigor mortis.
I also encouraged him to continue getting regular haircuts after that because he has to look good every single time.
Sean wife Hattie know what he have.
That's right.
He was like, Jodi can get it.
Yes, that's what he said. It's so funny.
Jodi can get nothing at all. Jodi's not getting a thing.
Except some filler.
It was just a little drop right here. The episodes have been so good.
Yeah.
So guys, make sure you check out Road Ready. We are on YouTube. We are on Tempo. We are on a new network coming up. I actually have a interview with them on Friday. So it's not like before where you're like, oh, where can I watch it? Even though I can't answer that question properly. But
Road Ready on YouTube. That's where I watch.
Sasha, we are going to talk about that right now. Will you guys be going to the Chris Brown concert? So I just
I just want you guys to know that like Chris and I have been we've been talking to each other.
No, Tracy, you DM Chris Brown, he does not answer you. That doesn't count. You should see the DMs she sends Chris Brown, and it's been for years. So it started off as, hey, big head, you're so cute. And then as she gets married, like, hey, so I have a daughter now and thing. But so it's kind of moved, you know? So, hey, you want to see my boobs? Right? Like years ago to now she's married, she'd be like, hey, what's up? Here you're coming to Jamaica. That's awesome. Would you like me to make you some ackee?
Anyway, he's never read that one message, okay? But I keep writing him like he's some type of diary.
No, so honestly, so Fight Chiney K come beat you. I think Tracy loves Chris Brown just as much as Chiny K, but hers is more public, you know. Tracy keeps it inside, you know, keeps it in the DMs. But they may have a fight. But so what I didn't know, which is really cool. So with the tickets that we have, we actually it's a weekend. It's like an entire weekend. It's the BZR weekend. So there's a whole heap of activities coming up for the weekend. And if you want to buy tickets or get more information, you can head on over to the website and them have one bag of answer for every question.
Like I was like, I'm
still scrolling.
It's a lot of questions and there's a lot of answers. So anyway, Chris was he reached out to me and he said, hey girl, you know, I want you backstage with me, but at the same time I really think it's best if you go in the Indigo section to watch the performance, because that section
it's right at the front
it has a very good view, and I want you to feel the vibe of my performance so that you can tell me after how I've done. So I was like, oh, thanks, Chris. So he gave Jodi and I some Indigo tickets.
Right.
So, which was so cool because like with the Indigo tickets, we also get entry into the other BZR event weekends, which is Old School Party and
Ultra VIP tickets to the Chris Brown and Friends. We are the Friends. And then one VIP BZR weekend pass to Member This, the ultimate Old School Party, and also for Rise and Toast, which is a brunch inclusive party.
So I'm not going to lie.
Chiny K only has we've seen her seats already on the seating map. Chiny K only has a bronze ticket. So Chris Brown only gave her a bronze ticket.
He didn't even give it to her. She had to buy it herself.
Oh, there we go. So Chiny K. I mean, maybe you could take Chiny K with you.
You think?
Chris look a little freaky. He take the two of you, girl. You take.
I'll work it out with Chiny K.
Okay, work it out with Chiny K. You know, I love her too. Oh Lord have mercy, I just So yeah, so you guys can head on over to the website. It is BZR weekend. Just type that in a Google and it will come up. But any single question you want to know, is there a bathroom? What kind of bathroom? If it will be Charmin toilet paper or the other little rough one was sandpaper yabati, it is all on here.
You guys, I just am excited to see him without his shirt dancing. Oh my god, I can't! Can you imagine when he spins and then he's gonna do like I have to remember to keep my eyes open when screaming so I don't miss. Oh, I hope his sweat drop drips on me.
Well, with Indigo seating, that's a possibility.
Oh, can you imagine? I wonder how salty his sweat is. I'm so excited.
Could that please be your caption? You're going to post at Chris Brown and you're going to be like, I wonder how salty Chris Brown's sweat is. I'm going to be under the stage like collecting. So guys, you can head on over to the website, you can buy your tickets, and they actually take credit card online. I'm having trouble doing a credit card purchase. There's an FAQ for that. And it tells you all kind of things, event information, like honestly.
Can you bring your own drinks? Can you wear to park?
Is there disabled parking? This is crazy. The amount, like there's like 4 long pages of can I do this and answers. Like it's ridiculous.
I just want to remind.
Hold on. Other artists. Which other artists will perform at the parties before the concert? So DJs and surprise artists will be announced soon. But I wanted to tell you, there's other artists. I know Idonia. Wait, I had the list up earlier. This is so much damn page of information. I lose my tab. Do you know who else is you know?
What are the rules about filming or taking photos during the event? Non-professional, non-flash photography is allowed during the event. Filming and professional cameras are not permitted without prior approval.
So yeah, if you have your camera, you can go film.
So you're good with your phone.
What time should I arrive at the event? Well, Chiny K is already there. She's already there, sitting down, waiting. So that's nice. That's nice.
In bronze.
No, I'm gonna give her my ticket so you guys can hang out.
Oh yes, we're pairing, me and Chiny K.
Right? Okay.
Me and Chiny K are gonna do that TikTok.
Oh yeah, that and then be. So there was Idonia. There was. Where are the other artists? I read them off before I got. No, I forgot. There was one that I didn't recognize the name.
I love that. I love that he does that. That's so cool. Anyway, I just want to tell you guys that I had no intentions of drinking today. I was like, I really can't bother. Like, I've been having like a little bit of a rough week, and I was like, I don't want to drink.
There's lost and found. They'll tell you where it is.
And then I was like, oh. And then I took one sip, and look at me. Here I am.
Oh, here we go. Sean Kingston. Sean Kingston is still around. Up top boss TJ. Oh, sorry. The up top boss is TJ. Byron Messier. Who's that?
Ding dong! That's
Ding
Stevie's favorite artist. You know what she loves to sing? Happiness. We know nothing with stress.
And then there's K Carter. Then Popeye Caution, Davio, and more. I'm kind of out of it. I'm not sure.
Oh my gosh, I wonder if Ding Dong can teach us a new dance. Remember last time when we were in here
So
dancing?
I kind of want to see TJ and Ding Dong and then Chris. So maybe everybody else will go on before.
I
can't stand the stand up.
I don't mind seeing Sean. No, not all of them are going to be at Chris Brown concert. Some are going to be before. At the
Which
other
artist
parties.
will be performing besides Chris Brown? Chris Brown now perform at Rise and Toast.
I don't even
So
know.
on the night up, there's other performances. You think this is a Beyonce concert where she won't sing?
Yeah.
Byron's song is Taliban.
Taliban?
Oh, it was a TikTok song. I don't have it in my mind.
Oh!
Yeah.
And he does this. That's where this dance came out, and he was found on the streets and halfway
Popeye
through.
Caution. The only reason why I know how he looks, I can't remember what he sings, is because when I used to go clubbing in Miami donkeys years ago, he always used to have like these weird braids, and he'd hang out with Brett.
You went clubbing.
Like twice.
I have to say,
The song with Burna Boy. Outfit details, please. So I'll drop on Amazon. I'll drop the link to these pants. You know this whole thing is from Amazon, and this is from my closet. You know already.
Jodi,
What?
you can at least allow me to say things like that. You
sorry.
can ask me politely, where'd you get your outfit
Where'd you get your
from?
outfit, Trey? This is so nice. You have a white, immaculate schoolgirl going on, but it's not schoolgirl. It's more, you need to wax your thigh. Look at that.
Stop! Chris would never.
Look at your thigh? Yes, he would. You need to wax that before Sunday. Chiney K is going to be so waxed and smooth. She's going to be like a dolphin's back. Okay? So you need to like prepare
That's
yourself.
why Chris is going to like me. I'm au natural. He'll be like,
No.
there's a good girl. That's how she looks all the time.
There's a good girl.
My eyebrows are going to be so fuzzy for Chris.
Hi, Miss Chin. Hi, Winsome. Winsome, can you please come home now? I'm sick and tired of you being away. Sure.
Winsome lives here?
Winsome migrated. She migrated a few weeks ago and
thought so.
has not been back.
I thought so.
Alright guys, so I noticed over the summer, right? Not only were we sipping our wonderful beverages, but we were in Silver Sands and people were seeing the kids swimming. And we got asked a couple of questions about how we taught Remy to swim, how you teach your kids to swim so well, you know, and how we did it. And it's kind of funny because when I did reply to a few people, I realized how mean I sound, but I kind of did like the sink or swim. So with me, if something was to happen, I didn't run and rush over and oh my God, and then I freak out Remy or I freak out Levi. I would just walk over no matter how I'm like, hey Remy, you okay? Coughing, okay, you're okay, you're okay, you're okay, my girl. Pat her back and don't do the whole, Jesus, catch her! You know, of course I was nearby the water's edge, but I would walk over. I would not run, right? And then I think, you know, with baby hopping bopping has a lot of things. So this would have been something that I would have recommended for you to take on holiday.
Right now thinks she can swim. Stevie thinks she is
It's
like
so funny.
She thinks she is Michael Phelps in the water. This time the girl like drown, you know, as she there. Right?
And I have to like hold her. I'm like, hey Stevie, and I have her by her pony. I'm like, let's breathe.
And then she thinks she jumped in the water up at Nana and Papa's the other day and she sank
to be calm.
straight
Yes,
to the bottom. And then I just had to go and pick her up and I was like, okay, good girl, because I don't want her to be afraid to jump in. So then a life jacket is so necessary for Stevie. No, she's
and
not
this one
allowed.
is cool if you're traveling. This can, you know, so
she's not allowed to go around the pool without
a
her
life jacket. And then also there's these princess. That's the price.
I should try her.
That's $350.
I'm gonna ask.
Baby Bop, everybody get to shop. So they have these little armbands here, princess armbands.
I'm gonna get these armbands for Stevie because.
And then we have Hot Wheels ones. So you can use
for $350.
We have to ask them. That don't sound right. This is Jamaica. Well,
so
this is $500.
What?
$500 flamingo.
Stevie loves her little floaties like this.
Make sure when you're heading on holiday, just to kind of pass by Baby Bop. If you can't pass by Baby Bop shop, you can pass by babybopshop.com, and you can see they upload new items every day, and then they have things like this at reasonable prices.
I can't believe these wings are $350.
So, just so that you can have peace of mind.
Like these, because right now she's in the life jacket, but I think maybe she could take her wings.
Where are you going now?
Up to Nana and Papa.
Oh, yes. Take
her wings.
And just be calm. Like, be near to your child and let them explore. They're going to choke. They're going to swallow water. Like, Stevie just relax. Oh, my God. Stevie vomits.
Because she keeps swallowing gulps of the chlorine water, and then she wants to burp, and then it just comes up one big vomit. But I just have to wash it away, and then
thank you celebration. Yeah, so just take your time, be near, and when you're going to start, oh my God,
I cannot believe this is $500.
Calm down. Hey Rem, calm down. Remember to take a breath or whatever it is. You keep calm. When you project that anxiety, the kids can feel it.
This is $850
for the little so if you're traveling
this
overseas,
is more expensive on Amazon.
Must be many prices.
Amazon, I paid like $30.
There were
so
for my daughter many years ago.
Steal of a
yes,
deal.
That's true. There are many places that do lessons. All my kids did swimming at school.
And this is so nice because you can just empty it out and flatten it down in your bag for next time. Like when I was traveling, when I went to Uncle Peter James,
put a little powder on it.
$850? No man, this is ridiculous.
So when you're not doing lessons and your child is by the pool, you can put on one of these so you can check out Baby Bop, where all of the little baby them go shop. babybopstore.com, guys, or you can check them out on Instagram, Baby Bop Store. They got a lot of things. This was something I wanted to show you before we went on holiday, but we have not been here in quite a while, so please forgive me.
Please forgive me. I know not what I do.
When you're folding up floaties and stuff like that, when they're dry, just put a little powder or a little cornstarch. It'll keep it from sticking together and crystallizing, where it will end up like easily broken or sticking. So just rub a little, just throw some powder in the Ziploc bag with it.
You know, when we were in school and used to roll up the glue and then it was like booger, did you guys ever like put it there and pretend as it was booger and then go to your friends and be like, ew? Yes,
Ali. When she gets in the water with Max, she stays about an arm's length away, and she just Lad, Tracy. I used to do that too. Look who come over here. Somebody's son.
Okay.
How we reach over and a wave.
Hello, Annie's waving.
Annie's waving.
Hi. Okay. Hello, somebody's son. We have been waiting for you.
Hey, babe.
wow. What's up? And him fashionable too, let's just remember. And him can dance.
So he's so fashionable to the point that when I was doing a little interview, I had to ask him his like orientation, because I was like, yo, straight man not dress so good,
He dresses really good.
He dresses really good. And that is incorrect. Lots of straight men dress nice, but I'm just taken aback. He wears some things that I'm like,
give on to Caesar what is due.
He dresses really nice. But sometimes you see some things mixed up and you're like, how you get that? Like, that's so artistic-y, like that's so, but anyway, you dress really good, you look nice. Somebody's son, why you trouble the girl about her man problems?
Leave her alone. Listen, let's not ruin it for the rest of the people.
Remi's birthday was on Sunday. So we decided to, just as a family, because Stevie didn't even come over, we said, I'm just going to keep it a low-key day. We're going to bake our cake together. We're going to sing her happy birthday. We're going to go to sushi. We're going to do all the little things that
Anyway, Stevie is Remi like fully addicted to Remi. There's a picture of Remi in our living room, and Stevie talks to the picture. I forgot to tell and tell you, she told Remi today that Remi naughty, and she took up the picture and she said, Mommy, Remi, this is a picture of Remi. Mommy,
she calls her
naughty.
Rem. Yeah. In Canada, she'd come in the room, and she's so
Don't even.
No, Tracy, it's retribution. Because Tracy was like, Levi is so loud, you're not going to do anything about it. And Stevie's easily 10 times on. So Stevie comes over, opens the door, crank, walks in. Then she's breathing.
Stop it, you're making her sound like a little monster.
And then she comes, look, and my eyes will open, right? And then she goes, where Rem? And I'm like, she's right here. Good morning, Stevie. Where Rem? She calls her Rem.
She's so sweet. Stevie
is very sweet. And we had a great time in Canada. I would do it again. Let's.
Hello, me attack.
I just want to.
You know, you're so lucky because I had sardines for lunch and I wasn't going to brush my teeth. And then,
well, I didn't put on deodorant. I went for laser this
wow,
morning.
you have a couple long hairs, but not many.
Because I wanted to show the laser lady where they were growing. But I don't have on deodorant. I have on ultrasound gel from the laser.
It smells good. You're good. You're good to go.
You never smell properly. Smell right here.
Whoa. That's a little pungent right there.
Yeah, right there.
Specific.
It's not right here is pungent, but over here is good.
So I wanted to also say to you guys that I have a new makeup routine. I'm all over the place today. So
what about the Canada trip?
Oh. Yeah.
Are you on medication? You need to be.
This is my
She's gone back to the big bag. You thought we would notice Lady B?
That's what's a big B. It's a big B.
It's a big B.
Anyway, so the Canada trip. So Jodi and I went with the kids, and we were outnumbered. It was 3
against
kids
2
against 2 adults, and
it felt like 6 against 2. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm not going to lie either, and I'm so sorry to tell you guys this, but Remy is a little bitch. Like she is though.
Only when she doesn't nap.
Which is Jodi. She's the most napped human being that there is. The girl wakes up. And we're heading to the airport. She wakes up, she puts on her clothes for the airport. She naps in the car to the airport. We get out at the airport. She checks in and then naps in the lounge. We go to the plane and then she naps on the plane for the entire plane ride. She's the most napped human being ever. And then, anytime Stevie wants something, Remy
has to have it. They're very mean to each other, but Stevie has turned Remy into a middle child. She definitely did.
I'm not going to deny that. That is so true. Remy is a middle child now. She is a middle child.
She's an angel sometimes. Did I hear B or W? B.
B.
It's hard to call a young child a B, but she has some very harsh tendencies.
She's very like, I want what I want and I want it right now.
Yeah.
And I want it right now and I want it specifically in the way that I say. And usually what she wants is something that one of the other children have.
Specifically, Stevie.
Yeah. And it's hard to like...
She give Levi a clot that day.
Oh my gosh. And then, so she closed fist thumped Levi in his face, so in his eye. And it's like a regular thing, like she'll just walk up to Levi and Levi is playing with his cars, doing his own, and she's just like, ow. And so I saw her do it and I looked at her, she turned, and I said to her, Remy, and Levi did not even budge. Like when
Trey, does Remy remind you of anyone?
I was sweet. I was not.
Tracy, no, Tracy, you are not sweet. You are sweet in front because you're, Mommy, Jodi hit me. But you were the one that would always start the fight. You got me in trouble a lot. When Tracy realized she could take makeup and make a bruise, she'd make a bruise. Mommy, look what Jodi did to me. I used to get some bus ass because of fake things you went and told Mommy and Daddy. I got the bull belt way more often than... Actually, the bull belt was only for me. You never got beaten. Yeah. And then one day, Tracy, Mommy saw when Tracy was like I was getting punished and Tracy was like, and Mommy saw, and that's when Mommy realized, and I'm like, Mommy, all of these years I've been getting beaten and punishment because this little bitch.
No, Jodi,
Tracy,
stop acting like you never chased after me with the frying pan on my shirt.
Okay, so I chased after you with the frying pan on my shirt, but that was a cool game to keep you on your agility, you know?
Did you not tie me up and throw me in the pool?
That was in case you were to be kidnapped, you'd know what to do.
Did you
Tracy, you are the most skilled person ever. You're welcome. You're ungrateful. You're ungrateful. They don't teach lessons like that. That's like some hard knock life lessons. You're welcome. But apart from that, right? You are a real horror. Tracy, you are horrible. But you are really good. That pool thing, I was like, yo, she dead no. And you would always surface. You'd always surface. I'm a survivor. I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to work harder. Yo, I swear. I was like, yo, she dead no, you know. I push her in the pool, tie her up now. She dead. Tracy. And then you'd go back on that. I was like, yo, we need better rope. This bitch always going to surface. But that's good. That's good.
That's the one thing I can say about Remi. I said the meme to Jodi the other day. Which one of your children is going to overthrow the entire kingdom, and why is it your middle child? And I was like, this is Remi.
I'm just realizing how sweet my siblings are. They're not. They're not. Sure.
Oh gosh.
Drew's asking, what's in the drinks? I don't know, but whatever it is great. Well, this is my favorite.
You know who has some great older sister stories too? Lady B Mixology. We were sharing them the other day, and nearly. And I couldn't breathe the way I was laughing so hard about the things her sister did to her.
I've got a couple stories too. Remi run the place. That is true. We need a shirt. Remi run the place.
It is very true.
You know who would wear that shirt? Happily. Stevie. Look, Rem, on my shirt. Rem. The day that we dressed them the same, oh gosh, it was like Stevie's biggest pleasure. Rem. She's rum ladies at work, and she says she cannot stop laughing so hard. So, you know, I just want to introduce you to my sister. She's very happy to be here because I did try to kill her off numerous times. But, you know, it makes her strong.
God is good. I'm here to tell the tale. Yeah, girl.
But you know, life lessons that should like
you can pull through anything.
Yeah, you know.
Sure.
If the army Navy comes to kill you, you'd probably survive. Not many
Don't
people
worry about
do
me.
that. Yeah, you good.
I know what to do.
Yeah.
I know what to do.
So
then I was saying to you guys, I have a new makeup routine. I bought this BB cream. It's from Skin Treat, and I just walked into the Target and saw an Ulta thing in there, and I bought it, and I think I like it. I have it on now.
You look very natural. But that's more like your goal. Like you look more pretty when you're natural, like naturally done up. Once you sort out your eyebrows, nobody can stop you.
I cannot wait to sort out my eyebrows. I hope this eyebrow lady is good. Yeah. Once again, everybody, let us see the eyebrows. I just want to get rid of this peak too. Like my eyebrows
just round them, but you're gonna
have to round them.
Yeah, because
I don't know. They're always going to be high like that. But do you see how it kind of like triangles right there?
Yeah. So I thread out the top of my brows to get that shape. My eyebrows need doing. I put so much highlight on the top of my brow, and I need to pluck out.
But you're gonna
everything I get plucked tonight.
Oh, I wish I could say the same for the Chris Breezy concert, but.
And I think, isn't Chris Brown your one marital pass?
Scott didn't say I could get a pass.
Oh. What? How can you get married without a pass?
Who's your pass?
I don't know yet. But that's why I kept it open. You keep it open just in case. You know, because you never know. Like, suppose I was like, oh, let's say, I don't even know. Like, you know, let's say I say Michael Jackson. I don't know. That's weird. But let's say I said Michael Jackson, and then Michael Jackson dies. Like my pass, my one hall pass, my pass is gone. No, I kept it open.
I just can't believe that I'm going to be able to go to a Chris Brown concert. Like there are things in life that.
My sister broke my nose with a kettle. You know, if you wanted tea, you should have just asked her. That's a problem. That's a problem. That's a problem with you younger siblings.
I'm getting emotional about going to the Chris Brown concert.
Elephant Man is your pass? Oh God, I love Elephant Man, but he wouldn't be my pass. I am body big. I am. Jodi, why? No.
You know, I just never thought I'd have the opportunity to like ever meet Chris Brown. I remember when he came to Jamaica a long time ago, and he was staying at the Pegasus, and him and Rihanna picture service.
They were in the pool, and we were upstairs in the gym, and you nearly died.
I was really pissed off because both Breezy and Riri had contacted Sean to hang out, and Sean didn't.
Tracy has been dying to get to Sean's phone to message certain people. She's like, yo, he's wasting his contacts, yo.
Just want to say that I've never forgiven Sean for not procuring that link. And although they were
Is Chris Brown Jamaican? I don't think so.
No, he's from the Bronx, New York. Or somewhere in New York.
Jodi, can you come push my chair, please? Drew, I'll push anything you want me to push.
And now here I am. I'm going to be able to meet Chris Brown, and I'm really excited about it. I'm excited about it, and he is just... He's doing good now, you know. He's recovered from whatever trauma he was going through earlier on. Don't know if you guys remember that phase of his life, but he's doing good.
I think people go through things, especially when you are young and you go
in
through
that industry.
and you're young in that industry. There's certain things that we've seen these people go through that's so traumatic, and because they're in the public eye, a lot of times they're not given the grace and the forgiveness that someone else would be given if they're not, so there, and
yeah.
I think
all those people,
hard.
yeah, like Britney Spears, Miley Cyrus. Did Miley get veneers?
I don't know, but all of those people have been through it. Raven Simone, and they're just so scrutinized because they're in the public eye.
Anything
and we're
that
seeing
they
them
do
grow up is so,
anything that they do is watched, it's analyzed. I mean, there's so many things that think about it that you have done. That
Tracy, practice what you're going to do so you don't pop down.
With Chris?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, let's see.
Okay, so hold on. I need to get my phone. I'm going to have my phone on ready. Okay, I'll be Chris.
Okay.
What's up, little mama?
Hey, oh God, I can't believe it.
Alright, let's take a picture.
Alright, no, I don't want to be that.
Okay, alright, start over.
Okay.
Hello, big mama. I think you need to think about what you're gonna do. Alright. Oh wait, that's Michael Jackson. Alright.
Oh, I'm so close.
Yeah, you're really close. You have to be in a line. Okay. Right? So remember,
Chris, me.
You're so close. You can't be doing that so close. You don't do that to people that are so close.
Okay. Hey Chris, how are you? Nice to meet you. I'm Tracy. I've been in your DMs a couple times.
That's it. So you're trying to reel off as much information as possible in a short amount of time before security wheels you off. Okay?
Okay.
So you have to talk fast. Ready?
Hey Chris, what's up? Nice to meet you. My name is Tracy.
That's it. Okay, that's good. And then when you're doing that, after you kiss him and they're pulling you away, you gotta go, Chiney K! Okay, I'll get the whole thing on video.
Maybe I can get him to autograph Stevie's armbands.
No, you're being wheeled away. The security's gonna throw you out.
That's a baby mom!
That would be some top advertising, like baby bop. Just telling me pregnant for him. It's Chris. It's not the other one.
It's not Nick Cannon, right?
All right. So over the summer we took some nice photos. Tracy, your photos are beautiful.
So I have to apologize to Summer.
Here we go.
From Cash Swimsuits. Summer, if you're out there, I would like to apologize to you because I struck a deal with Summer and I was like, so I've actually really liked Summer since for a long time, so I actually reached out to her.
Hi, Mar.
And I was like, Summer, I really want to put your stuff on Tuesdays with Tricky. So she was like, yeah. So, she sent Jodi and I a swimsuit and she's like, can you post it and talk about us and us, talk about me. She's dropping a new collection. It's available at Swimfest. And the thing I like the most about Summer's swimsuits is I like her fit. So she really does have a nice fit of the bottoms, and I liked the tops. It fully covered what it needed to cover. It was a very comfortable swimsuit to wear. Anyway, so
I was like, burp and think we didn't notice?
Excuse me, yeah. Sardines. So anyway, so Jodi put her outfit on. It was a beautiful day down in Silver Sands, and I took 5 pictures of Jodi. 5. And they were amazing. So I was like, okay, Jo, can you take pictures of me? And I thought, the lighting and the day.
Tracy,
I look like a quarterback, Jodi.
No,
well, first of all, I'm a slim girl. I'm a slim girl, and you made me look like I have the broadest shoulders.
I took in the backdrop
that
the little man was not on your shoulder. I took in your eyes where it was glistening off of your swimsuit.
Jodi, it's horrible.
I did 3 different
positions. Did an angle like it was so weird. Like my belly looks like this.
Yeah, but that's okay. My belly look like that too. That's why you have Facetune.
I've never Facetuned my photos.
I
Ever.
Facetune my nose and my belly. Sorry.
Like, honestly, I I just feel so annoyed. I can't even post not one picture from Cash.
That's not true, Tracy. There's so many you could post.
Okay, I will go through them tonight and post. And right now, for all our YouTube viewers, please view the pictures that Jodi thinks are amazing.
So you can head on over to YouTube, guys. Later on I'm going to do some editing. I don't really know if to stop the video and start it back, but hopefully oh, maybe I should stop it now. Anyway, I'll figure it out. And yeah, I took so many pictures of Tracy. You just wait till I put it up and people comment and be like, oh. And then you have green eyes with a green swimsuit. Her swimsuit was wicked. I want to teeth it. Ungrateful.
It's very nice. Anyways, guys, it's back to school time, and I just wanted to share with you a back to school a charity that you could donate to that is helping kids with their back to school. Thank you for my phone.
You're welcome.
I just want to say that I'm very proud of people who start up these foundations and these charities. It takes a lot of work, it's a lot of organizing, it's a lot of planning, and it is something that people do out of the goodness of their heart. And so I really admire people that take their time to do things like this. I met a guy, his name is Warner, and he was telling me about his,
what is it called?
Foundation. It's called the Greater Change Foundation. Be the change, donate now. You can donate cash, or you can donate new or used items, clothes, books, stationery, food, and toys. You can follow them at greater.change, that's _, that's on Instagram. You can WhatsApp at 876-546-3587.
Can you take a credit card?
Yes, he does.
He does?
We accept cash regardless of the minimal sum you are able to contribute to be distributed to deserving beneficiaries. Maybe he doesn't owe. No, he doesn't take card, unfortunately.
I can thief a little bit of the card money and give
Greater Change Foundation at outlook.com. The donations are distributed to marginalized communities by providing essential resources to support education, healthcare, and livelihood initiative.
You okay there?
Yeah, that's initiatives. I was wondering if it was initiatives or incentives.
Oh.
Because it's small writing.
And it's eyes.
Yeah.
Initiative, incentives, the same.
And I really appreciate people who, so please follow, connect with him, greater.change _ on Instagram. Please connect with him to help out the inner
back to school. I mean, we all think, oh, it's so hard to get everything together. So imagine, what some other families are feeling where, they may not be as lucky as you guys.
And, I just want to say that everybody has it hard. You look at people and you look at other people's life.
But, yes, you have it hard, but you must always give thanks because there's somebody who has it harder. I'll finish it for you, girl. Smell this.
Oh, sardines from the under earth. Yeah, and I just, I'm so grateful for a lot of things in my life, and one of the things that I will forever be grateful for is the outlook that I have on life, which is a gratuitous outlook. And although I may be sometimes in crappy situations, I always try and get my viewpoint out of that crappy situation, and that is something that I know I do about myself, and that I'm very thankful for, that I have the mind frame to be able to do that, because sometimes people are stuck in their depressed state or stuck in this circle of why me, why me, why me. So, you know, I just want to encourage everybody to set your goals and look forward to things that are a positive change in your life. Or if you're in a moment that is a really great place in your life, just sit in it and be very grateful and thankful for the moment that you are in and what you have.
Right. Rumlane says, by the way, that's just the best IG name. Rumlane says, you guys are having so much fun in Jamaica. You know what? Just have fun anywhere you are. Make the best of it. Make the best of it.
And it really is.
There's always something to celebrate. Like, just look for something. Today's a good day. It rained today. Our flowers are watered.
I hope it rained over the breadfruit tree, because I love breadfruit, but the rain, it hasn't been raining, so the breadfruit...
Are you on medication?
You don't like breadfruit?
You need to be.
You don't like breadfruit?
Yeah, Jodi, but our struggle is not the struggles, but we still try to be grateful and still complain, to which it is okay to have our crosses to carry. That's true.
Yes.
I agree.
Yes.
So what I'm saying is that
family, definitely.
Remember that although you have your problems, there's always somebody with it a little worse, and that's what I use personally to.
And it's okay to complain.
To go on, and yeah, because I'm a complainer too. So I use that to be like, boy, okay. Although I'm complaining, you know, that, you know, the books are expensive, the school fees expensive, there's somebody who has it way worse than me. Like the school fees way more and they have way less. So I'm going to try and reach, even if it's just a $500 to try and help. I have some pencil cases to try and help. Don't ever think it's too little or not enough, you know, because there's somebody else who, you know, has
that would appreciate whatever you.
But it's okay to like bear your burdens, like have your cross. That's fine. I'm not disagating. Well, I made that word up. I'm not disagating.
Okay.
I'm not disagating your problems, but
no,
I'm
don't
just
disagate.
I'm saying just to kind of be like to be mindful that
to give to charities and foundations, because some people really need the help. And yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I
Jodi, that's our slogan. It's always time to celebrate. I think so. Who would appreciate it? Me. I'm appreciative of what you saying. Liquor? Martina, what you saying? I want 3 big bag. I want 3 big bag. I walk in with my big bag for Chris Brown concert. I already checked it out and they said no outside liquor. Who's gonna check? Who's gonna check?
Nobody's gonna know.
Who's gonna check? I'm gonna be like, Chris said. No, that's you. You back there. Chris said I must bring him 3 big bags of Lady B because he wants to drink on me.
Yeah. I think that Lady B
celebrating green armpit? Yes, because that green armpit has laser. It's not green, it's more like a purple.
I'm trying to flare my nose like Bounty Killer.
I love Trixie. She's okay.
And look how my noses make little triangles. Look at that.
Couldn't invite me to the concert, Joe.
Look at those little triangles.
Tricky's giving my ticket to Tricky's giving my ticket to Chiney K, so I may not even be there. Because Chiney K is in bronze, so Tracy wants to let you know. Yeah, Tracy wants to let you know the importance of her relationship with Chris Brown. So there's Chiney K, then there's Tracy.
Yeah.
But I love Chiney K, so I said no problem. I will go and look after the baby with no face, because you know you should post and you know you can't see the baby. So I'll go and look after the baby, and then Tracy and Chiney K
will be
go
the first time the baby will feature on Instagram live when Jodi's looking after the baby.
Hey! We dancing! But I do want to let you guys know, I actually have seen the baby.
You have?
I have seen the baby. She sent me a picture, I think 2, yeah? Because I'd write up like, I want to see the baby. Because when you do stuff like that, I get very annoyed. Like, I want to see. Like, you know, what you call it, cat and the puss in the bag? I'm like, I want to see. I was like, send me a picture of the baby. Baby cute. Baby's so cute.
The baby cute?
Yeah, she's really cute. Aww. She's really cute, yeah. I would never do that, though, in terms of, like,
this me and
screenshot and send it out. Chiney K, did you understand? Alright, so I'll be Chiney K. But that's like then you the TikToker and you change your clothes.
We'll do something.
We'll do something, okay. Alright, you and Chiney K can make up a somebody video Tracy at the concert, please. I will. I soon come to drop Santorini to you. That's not a problem. This is a daycare on a Saturday, you know. What are you guys wearing? I'm going to Beyonce same day. You know,
I tried to one up me with Beyonce.
So I have a pants, I don't know. I have a pants that dip down, but Jodi has not waxed. And I feel like that cute little girl, Pretty Petite Essence, she wore them, so it kind of like dips down in your crotch. So I'm gonna have to like do a little wax.
Skangovich says I saw Beyonce and she was amazing.
Yeah, I met Beyonce.
Me too.
When did you meet Beyonce, Tracy? That was me.
It was you?
It was me.
You sure?
Oh my gosh, I met Beyonce.
She was tall.
Sean was on tour with her for. That was Rihanna. Rihanna was the one with the pores. But Beyonce was nice, but there was a lot of rules and regulations like around her.
I met Mariah.
I was with you, Tracy, and Mariah was like, oh my gosh, we all look alike. It was me, you, and Lonnie.
Oh my gosh, and that was like the best thing ever. So we got to go on stage, on Mariah's stage set, and we got to sing. And it was me, Jodi, and Lonnie, and we didn't know what to sing because the stage was so big and the audience was so... I all got stage fright, so we sang the Jamaican national anthem.
So
Eternal Father, you remember? And then when we looked out to the crowd, the security guard was there like this.
So let's tell the story a little better.
Okay,
so
right. I got excited. Sorry.
I can't remember what arena it was. There's the main stage and there's like a smaller stage, right?
It was the main arena
no,
of,
Tracy,
of,
it was
of New York.
No, it was in New York, but there was a main stage, and then me, you, and Lonnie were running around the place because we're bored. Right, a big Mariah Carey concert backstage, we're bored, and then we found like a little, like the smaller auditorium, and there was so the three of us are on stage because they kept telling us, oh my gosh, you guys look like Mariah. So sometimes we'd get like to go into certain areas because they thought we were like related to Mariah, more so me, right? So then no, we saw this stage, so we're like on the stage singing barefoot, this have belt out Jamaican anthem, and you want to see the guy in the audience mopping the janitor. And yo, we gave him a show because we're like, it doesn't matter if it's 1 or 1,000,000, we must sing. Me sing, me yo, why I mean eternal with that our land. And there was nobody to take pictures or videos at the time.
No. That was a good old days.
Those were the good old days. No camera, no. You had the little, we call it the JPEG. It's like, how many pixels do you have? 2.5. I have 3. No, girl, you know, so not the new 4 just come out. And we talk about pixels. Anyway, we do have a couple pictures, but we don't have a picture from that night. Anyway, more so me. Yeah, that's him. Because I feel like I look more like...
I know.
I look more like...
More so me.
More so me. Imagine them sing at Chris Brown. I can't even remember right now what Chris Brown sings.
What? Oh, there's some of that. Give me that.
Give me that. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
I mean, I'll sing along. Like, I don't love concerts,
and he has a new song called The Summer Hot and You Jiggly Butt.
I can jiggle my butt.
Yes.
I'll wear like a loose pants. I'll make it like, you know? I make it shake around like how somebody son likes it.
Shake. And he was like, he has a lot of songs out.
Who is the best carnival dancer? Tricky or Jodi? I will dance my heart out, you know. Dance my heart out. I'll know me no move.
You don't dance.
I'll know me no move. I'll be in my head, you know, wine, cock up, jack up. And I'll open my eyes and Jodi's just rocking. Jodi's just a rocking. That's okay.
Jodi doesn't dance. So if you guys
I'm an internal dancer.
If you want to ask who's a better dancer between Jodi and I,
they never asked me. They did not ask about better dancer, Trace. They didn't ask better.
They did. They said who is a better carnival dancer. And so it was
but you can't tell I'm an internal dancer, so that don't count. You don't know what is in my inside. Right now, I'm Scooby-Dooing and Scooby and stir-frying. You can't see it. What's the latest one they have? Where you do? What's that one?
Alright. I don't know. But I remember when they had machine gun when we were little, like, you had to go.
Yeah. And Joshua could do it, and I was like in love with him just because he could.
Yes.
And I was like, oh gosh, he looks so good. I love a guy that can dance. Maybe because I try to overcompensate because I can't dance. So Sean just really bunks down the place, and I'm like, oh.
Sean, Willie.
Bunks over here, this way, Willie.
And all other part to it where you have a
that's the oh, I don't remember. Yeah, I don't know. Remember Kiva taught me? You don't remember the night I was so drunk in quad and you're like, Kiva, calm down. And I was like, I mean it! And I was logging on, logging off. I was pressing the power button, everything. I mean that. Now Microsoft. Samsung, log on. Tracy's like, calm down, Kiva, calm down. That's me. That is me.
Oh, gosh.
That's one thing. Like, you know, all the time people ask, all right, nobody's ever asked me.
Asylum was such a good club.
Yeah, and then there was Quad. Like, yo, what do you wish you could do? Like, I don't wish I could play an instrument. I don't wish I could sing. I wish I could dance. Like, I was an incredible dancer. Like,
you could be like that Chinese guy and just stop traffic and dance. Did anybody else see that on the Observer post?
oh, what's his name again? He saw that there was music happening and he stopped his car, pulled over and started to dance.
He's a vibe.
I just want to be like an amazing dancer. Like TC don't know what she having a pretty TC and Rebel, them don't know. Right? Them just dress up pretty, whatever, but them don't know that their secret power is that they could have a dance off at any second.
Yeah.
You know? Like you're frying potato and then you can just and then you can just go, you know, like I can't do that. Like I'm very aware of that. Like on my laptop, oh, who can't stir fry? Me.
So you just have to continue.
Yeah, just continue working, you know. Meanwhile, Pretty can also sing and dance, and I'm just like, yes, she performs. So they can dress.
Grudge her for
yes,
that.
I know. Well, honestly, I've been grudging them for the longest time. You remember when I saw TC at Carnival and I was hiding behind the truck? I was like, I really like her, and she was like, you can say hi. I was like, hi.
Such a creep.
Anyway, big up TC, Pretty and Rebel. One day I will be able to say hi because I won't be able to dance. That won't be me. I know my limitations. But it's okay if you see me and I'm doing some weird thing. Just know internally,
just
I'm
go.
fucking up the place.
Hey, go Jodi.
Because internally, I'm yo.
Hey, I should be like this. Yeah,
but you don't know what's happening on the inside.
Seizuring it out. Just
you don't know. Inside.
Yeah. She did it. You did it.
My TC is in here. Yeah, you don't know. Sure. True. Bad dancer them. You love them. Sorry. I thought you were bigging my internals up.
I know. I was like, whoa, somebody's really with it.
It's okay. No worries. Don't worry.
Anyway.
All right, everybody. We want to thank you so much for joining us for this week's show. We will catch you next week with Tracy's brand new eyebrows. So make sure you tune in. And this is gonna be so much fun. I hope they don't mess you up. Chiney K, we will see you on Sunday. Make sure you guys check out the website for the BZR weekend with Chris Brown and the weekend of activities. You can check us out in Indigo right under Chris Brown's Sweaty Balls.
Remember to go to
babybopstore.com to check out all of the baby stuff that you need. They stock everything except the baby.
Chris Brown is going to autograph Stevie's wings.
Alright. And we're going to take in 3 big bags for Chris Brown. Because it doesn't say on the website, can you bring Lady B? No, it doesn't say that at all. So if you catch us with some bags hanging off in our clothes, it's for Chris Brown, okay? Thank you, security. All right, everybody, thank you so much. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video. Bye.
I really love Chris.
Oh,